Has a teacher ever told you, use the active voice when you write? And have you ever thought, what on earth is the active voice? And why do so many people talk to me as if I should know it? If so, you're not alone. To identify whether a sentence is written in the active or passive voice, you must look for two things: the verb or verb phrase of the sentence and the subject. If the subject comes before the verb, the sentence is active. If the subject comes after the verb, it is passive. So how do you determine the subject of a sentence, you ask? Simple. Find the verb or verb phrase and ask this question: who or what is doing the action? For example, if you take the sentence, Jack played Spider-Man for 3 hours last night, the verb of the sentence is played. If you ask who or what is doing the playing, the answer is Jack. Therefore, the subject of the sentence is Jack, and the verb is played. Since Jack, the subject, comes before played, the verb, this sentence is written in the active voice. Let's look at another example and complete it together. The dog ate my homework. What is the verb of this sentence? You have 5 seconds to think. Go. The verb in this sentence is ate. Now, who or what is doing the eating? This will be the subject of the sentence. You have 5 seconds to think. Go. The dog is doing the eating in this sentence. Therefore, the dog is the subject. Now remember, the subject must come before the verb for a sentence to be active, and after the verb to be passive. So if the dog is the subject and ate is the verb, is this sentence written in the active or passive voice? You have 5 seconds to think. Go. This sentence is written in the active voice because the subject comes before the verb. Now, what if the previous sentence was written like this? My homework was eaten by the dog. Let's figure out if this sentence is active or passive. Step 1. What is the verb or verb phrase in this sentence? You have 5 seconds to think. Go. The verb phrase in this sentence is was eaten. Step 2. Who or what was doing the eating in this sentence? Was it my homework or the dog? You have 5 seconds to think. Go. The dog is doing the eating in this sentence. Therefore, the dog is the subject. Since we know the verb phrase is was eaten and the subject is dog, here's the final question. Is this sentence written in the active or passive voice? Remember, the subject comes before the verb if it is active and after the verb if it is passive. You have 5 seconds to think. Go. If you guessed passive, you are correct. Now it is your turn to identify if the following 10 sentences are written in the active or passive voice. You have 5 seconds to answer each. If you need more time, pause the video. Here we go. Number 1. The car was bought by my brother. Number 2, the baby wakes me up at 4 a.m. every morning. Number 3, the bone was eaten by the dog. Number 4, my brother played Among Us for 6 hours yesterday. Number 5, the palm tree was struck by lightning. Number 6, I bought my teacher a PlayStation 5. Number 7, I dance with friends every Friday night. Number 8, the piano was played by Mike. Number 9, I ran a marathon last week. And number 10, the car was driven by my sister.